Hey Susie, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing. We had spoken on the phone earlier today. We are a marketing agency here in Greensboro, and I happened to be doing some research in your area and came across your website. So I figured I would shoot you guys this quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online. Like I told you on the phone earlier today, I don't want to waste any of you all's time, and I certainly don't want to waste mine either. So I'll keep this nice and short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help you grow your business online and that's something that you're interested in, please reach out to me and we can chat. And if not, no worries. Please just take the tips that I've given you today and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask is if you will please give me some feedback on this video when we're finished. It would be greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's go ahead and we'll get into it. So the 3 things that I want to cover today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is going to be content, which is basically anything that you all have on this page here on your website. That also would include pictures and what they're being saved as, and also what's behind the pictures can be considered content as well. So these are things that the search engine can read and get an idea of what services that you offer, the area that you're targeting, and that will position you in the search ranking. So having unique, authoritative content and enough of it and to add in the keywords or key phrases that people are going to be searching Google for to locate your services. Looking at the website, it looks like you all do have a lot of content, which is great. So just want to make sure that you have the keywords and the key phrases within that content that the searchers are going to be more than likely to search for when they're looking for your services. It's also a very nice website, very nice layout, very organized. So that's awesome. Kudos to you all there. That's the only tip that I have for you as far as the content goes. So let's move on. The second tip that I have is citations. So looking at a Google search for water damage, Greensboro, NC, you'll see that there are some ads here at the top. In 2020, a lot of people are steering away from ads, or they have ad blockers set up on their browser so they don't even have to see those. What would be really important, what citations have a lot to do with, would be this section here. This is called the map pack. What a citation is essentially is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. So you may be asking yourself, what is a directory and how do I get in one of those? To put it simply, it's basically Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, and any other places online that allows business owners to add their business details and services within there. That would be considered a directory. So in order to rank high in the maps here, you would need to make sure that you're looking at your competition's directory listings and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and then go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you do not just want to stop there either. Whatever your competition has, you want to get what they have, and then you want to add more. That way you can completely dominate in that space, and it will help you rank here in the search. So now that we have covered the content in the citations, the last thing that I want to cover is backlinks. That has a lot to do with this section down here. This is what we call the organic section underneath the map pack. And the way backlinks works is there's a website out there that has a link going back to your website and is essentially just pushing power to your site, potentially bringing traffic to you. Backlinks are not all created equal though. So for example, let's say that there is an ice cream shop and you all worked with their owner and they have decided to send you their link, but their link of course is all about ice cream. It's really not going to do much good for you since it has nothing to do with your business. We want links from another water damage company, water damage repair, that's actually sending a link back to your website that says, yes, they are water damage repair company. That's going to be a lot more powerful because it's unique and it's also relevant to your industry. So looking at one of the tools that I have here, this is called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's a company that buys data from Google. So it gives me at least a good idea of what's working well for you all and what's working well for your competition also. And so with this, I can see that you guys currently have 38 referring domains, which is giving you 190 backlinks. And out of those, you're getting found for 20 keywords. Out of those keywords, you're getting an average of about 10 people roughly to your site per month. And again, this is just a tool. It's not 100% accurate. If you want the most accurate information, you would get that straight from Google Analytics. But as you can see, these are the keywords here. And I'm just going to touch on the position. That way we can see them in order. So we'll look over here. So, for instance, first aid, position 1, water damage restoration, Greensboro, North Carolina. Y'all are in position 8, Fire Restoration Inc., position 13, and so on and so forth. And as the number gets greater, it would be on second, third, fourth page of Google, depending. So if we look at one of your competitors, and it looks like over here, the first in the map pack would be ServPro of Greensboro North. So let's take a look and we'll see where they are here. So they have 17 referring domains, giving them 254 backlinks, which are getting them found for 178 keywords, and bringing them roughly 109 people to their website per month. So we did see, it looks like their organic keywords here. And again, I'm just going to touch the position. That way we can get everything in order here. So for theirs, it looks like they're getting found for ServPro Greensboro NC, Water Damage Restoration Greensboro NC, ServPro Greensboro, ServPro North Carolina, it's position 2, Water Damage Greensboro, they're in the 3rd position for that. And then as the number gets greater again, that's just going further down the pages of Google there. So in order to beat out your competition, you just really want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they're being found. And just like citations, you don't want to stop there. In order to really truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're adding more. But that is pretty much all that I have for you guys today. I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how we can help grow your business online via your online presence, please give me a call and we can chat. And as I said before, if not, no worries at all. I hope that you enjoy the free tips that I've given you today. And if I can, again, just get some feedback on this video, and if you can let me know how I did. Thanks again, Susie. I hope you have a great rest of your day.